So, why use Saedi Law Group to refile your Chapter 13 case? Good question. I always tell folks when I meet with them that everybody has a different style. Every attorney has a different style. And it is important that when you meet with an attorney that you click, that you feel comfortable talking to them, because you're going to be doing a lot of talking, but that you feel comfortable that they're going to handle your case all the way to getting it approved and then also helping you maintain it. So you need to have a good, feel for your attorney. With that said, in bankruptcy court, at least here in Georgia, you're usually going to see three types of firms. You will see what we call a bankruptcy mill. These are mega firms. They file hundreds and hundreds of cases every month. They have lots and lots of attorneys, lots and lots of staff. So that's what we call a bankruptcy mill. On the far side of that spectrum, you'll have the sole proprietor. So it's just one person. And of course, with one person, you're always going to meet with that person. But those are usually, much smaller caseloads because it's just one person. So you have that dynamic as well. Our firm, I think the third type of firm that you will find in this area is a mid-sized firm, in that we have more than one attorney, but we're not a mega firm. We're right in the middle. So we purposely don't file hundreds and hundreds of cases, because if we did, we wouldn't be able to give the quality service that we provide our clients. So one of our, I think, big selling points, if you want to call it that, is that when someone comes in and meets with Saedi Law Group, whoever they meet with, that attorney, that's going to be their person. That's going to be their attorney. So yes, of course, we have other staff, other attorneys, and there will be times in the case where they need to reach out and get information or assist on an issue. But your point person, that one person you're going to deal with, if you have any issues you go to, that's going to be the same person through your whole case. And I know a lot of our clients really appreciate that because it prevents them from having to call or speak to all these different people telling the same story to multiple people. That drives me nuts as well. And so it really provides nice personalized service. I think one of the other issues that clients have when they're dealing with attorneys is lack of communication. You'll hear, nobody told me, I didn't get a notice. And we believe it when we hear that from clients who are coming in to refile. We know that is an issue, especially with lawyers. However, one of the things that we do, I like to tell clients that we're going to stalk you. We're going to send you texts. We're going to send you emails. We're going to call you because we want to make sure that our clients know about hearings that are coming up, know what they need to get to us so that, we can get your case approved. And we get it. We know you're busy. We know this is stressful. We get it. So we really try to stay on top of our clients to make sure that we can get them through this process with the least amount of stress as possible. And of course, everything, like I said before, everything goes down to the feel, how you feel when you meet with the attorney. Some people have very different styles. So when you're looking to refile a case, definitely I tell my clients, go online, look at reviews. Also, talk with a couple of attorneys and see who has that better feel. So none of our attorneys are fresh out of law school. We are all dinosaurs. I think at this point we've been practicing bankruptcy law for a very long time. So you're not going to have some young green attorney that just doesn't have the experience dealing with the trustees, dealing with the judges in regards to writing your case. All of us here at Saedi Law Group are very experienced. We've been doing this a very, very long time, and we're in court every day. So that means that we are able to stay up to date on updates in the law, updates in procedures, so we can let our clients know ASAP if there's been any kind of change that could possibly affect their case. Our staff. I think our staff is the highlight of our law firm. I don't hire nasty people. I don't like it when I have to deal with a company and you get anybody that's rude or dismissive, anything like that. We pride ourselves on having a really nice team. Of course, we understand clients get stressed or whatnot, and we're here to try to help you with that. I have a great group of people assembled. They're very nice. They're very understanding. They're very knowledgeable. So I think that really plays into helping our clients feel at ease and be able to navigate their cases successfully. So we take a holistic approach to bankruptcy. And what I mean by that is we're not just filing a case for a client. What we're doing is we're helping a client deal with their debt issues, but we don't just dump our clients as soon as the case is over. There's another step, in my opinion, and that is to make sure the client has the tools to be able to rebuild their credit, to get back on track, to know the little things they need to look for or things they might be asked for because they have been in a bankruptcy. I hear a lot from clients that have been at other firms that, it was just kind of like, there you go, and that's it, and there was no assistance in that regards. So we really try to make sure that clients, that they get the entire financial help, and not just filing documents and going to court with them, because I think bankruptcy is so much more. And as a bankruptcy attorney, I think that that's really just one of our duties, is that we need to help clients never have to come see us again. I don't want a repeat client because I really want someone to go through this process and then be able to move on and rebuild their credit and go on with their life, because that is really what bankruptcy is all about. If you have any questions about filing bankruptcy, please feel free to either send an email to the information that's down below. I've got my email address down there, or you can always call our office and we're happy to go over options with you. Our firm also does video consults, which our clients seem to really love because that gives them the convenience, and also it's just a lot more comfortable for folks, I think, to be able to sit and chat with an attorney who they can see, just like a regular consult, except you're in your home or office. So we always offer that as well.